Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube video for today. I'm just taking you like behind the scenes of the warehouse. We had an insane amount of orders this past weekend, so I thought it'd be fun to just like pack some orders with you guys and take you along for the journey. So here we are, warehouse, order packing. Let's do it. Okay, I am not packing them. I'm writing the name, I'm putting them out.
You're not putting them in the bag.
Okay, so we got an extra small classic bundle coming right up for Arlene.
Do you want me to double check them when they're here?
I think that's a very fantastic idea. Considering I'm also like recording for the video.
Yeah, because that's what I was doing last time.
Yes, I think that worked very, very well.
Yeah.
Okay, this one's for Angie. Nope, this one's for Sarah. Oh, we're off to a great start.
Where did you get Angie
from? The other sheet on the other page. Angie's next. Angie. Everyday Gray. Is it annoying if I'm saying it out loud? Well, you also need to review it.
I say it out loud, you say it out loud. We both need to talk out loud.
We do.
It's all good. Are you an auditory learner?
I feel like I'm kind of in, like, yeah, I kind of needed all the things. But mostly experience.
Yeah.
That is like the best type of learning style for me. But secondly, I think auditory. Rachel got an adventure fit. We're writing, as you can see, we're writing, but Dad's making boxes behind you guys. With a hat, still has stickers on it. I feel like I gotta show you.
So no.
Yeah. With your hat, with
Rachel.
the who?
You just packed a hat for Rachel.
Yeah. How do we don't know Rachel is watching for sure, but maybe there's a Rachel out there. I just love your style with the stickers on the hat. That's what I wanted to show the people. Stacey, don't do that because you're ruining the assembly line here.
How did Romper room go?
Who?
Romper room.
He knows I'm filming. That's why he's doing this.
Or remember,
Romper room?
What did you say? I see Rachel and I see.
Would you like to do that right now, Dad?
No, I
You
don't
can have
wanna
your
do
moment, your romper room moment.
No, I don't understand.
Oh, you never seen Romper Room?
What does that mean?
Romper Room used to be a kid's show.
Okay.
And then the teacher or the lady of the show would look into the camera and say, I see Rachel looking in. And I see Ben. So all the kids looking in would say, oh, they said my name.
Yeah,
I see.
And when you're like 4 and you don't know any different, that the person on the other side of the TV can't actually see you.
It's kind of like a Dora moment where you have to tell her, like you have to tell the screen.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. It's very interactive. It was like like if you were wondering how old I am, now you understand. I was romper rooming, and that was a thing.
That was not allowed. A lot of TV. We didn't even really have cable.
I mean, like, how much TV did we really watch? Like, we were on the farm and we didn't have cable, so...
There was 4 channels.
Exactly. And TVO only had kids programming for so long. Adventure Fit, small, medium. Shout out Jacqueline. I always forget that Jacqueline has a seat.
Where?
Before the queue.
Oh.
I know. Always throws me off.
I was saying today that like every time I get a Caitlin order, I feel like an order from a Caitlin, it's spelled a different way, like every single time.
Ooh. Yeah, Caitlin can be spelled very differently.
Yeah.
Lovely.
We didn't even know there was this one.
Yeah, the khaki. We didn't even know there was khaki youth.
Like, this isn't a kid's. This is a youth
Isn't
size.
it cute?
So cute.
Yes. I know. It's not, the youth sizes don't, we don't sell many, but I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Did I pack that one correctly?
Yeah.
No, I didn't have a sticker.
Oh, no sticker. Maybe we'll give them 2 stickers just on the outside then.
Okay, yeah. Because we forgot. Mary got a black small medium everyday and a gray small medium. Ooh, Kim got 2 beanies.
Ooh.
And a white, medium large everyday. Ooh, thanks, Meg. Ooh, another bundle. I don't know why the bundles are so satisfying to pack.
Yeah.
Hmm? There's 2 Kims, but they're different people. Yeah. Oh, that's the same. Oh. Should I take over for me for a second?
Well, actually, put that Kim back too.
What? This is.
I have 2 Kims. 2 Kim stickers, 2 Kims.
No,
yeah.
no. But that's. I mean,
Oh, they do have the same last name.
They do.
It's the same customer. Are they the same address?
What's the same number? What's 14680?
It's different number. Yeah,
it's fine. I think
Fine.
it's fine.
It's fine.
Crisis averted.
It's all
no,
good.
we're good. Mom, we're good. We're gonna
Okay,
just
I'll be back.
one label on one, the other label on the other. Last week we had it where a customer did place 2 orders accidentally. So we caught it, and so we're thinking that might be the case, but it does not appear to be so. It looks like 2 very different orders. She got free shipping on everything, so we're gonna trust that was on purpose. Sporty. Ooh, I like that color combo too. So that's really.
So this is 2.
Was just saying, Verena, she had ordered 4 different colors. They're so pretty. Sorry, 5 different colors. She also got a sporty thin black. That's the end of our stack. So, yeah, we're super busy because in March 9th, we had one of our TikToks go, our biggest TikTok viral moment ever. Maybe Christine, you can put it here, like the TikTok that was responsible for all of these sales. This one, poo. So thank you, TikTok. And it's been keeping us busy for like 2 weeks. Got a couple of stacks around. This is a big stack of done parcels that's going out. And then, and Mom. One is almost as tall as Mom. That is a finished skid that's packed. And this is another skid that we're working on here. I don't know why, but I love seeing like the sea of like Ponyback logos like that. Isn't that cool? Exciting. And that was literally just from a few days ago. So craziness.
Well, like all of this is either from today or Monday. But we've hacked them.
Yeah, we've only packed them in the last couple days. Yeah. So we've been busy. Well, mostly Meg, packing most of those.
Hopefully I got them right.
Good job, Meg. Thank you so much for tuning in today and following along in our journey. If you haven't already, click the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.